yesterday, of course, as everyone has shared, we learned about the TNA, but just to emphasize that too, the TNA, the level, there are three levels of TNA. And of course, for the organization, for the departments, and for the individual as well. Most of the importance that whatever that we recommend from the different methods of the data collections, it must be aligned with the organization objective and what they wanted to improve. If what we propose doesn't align with that, we can't even close the deal or provide the training. We will not be identified, and therefore we are not able to help whether the departments or individuals to transform themselves to be a better person. Of course, we also learn about the learning outcome, how we going to deliver it. Always emphasize the learning objective from the beginning of our delivery and at the end of our delivery. And this is focused on always ask our trainee to emphasize more about why they are here to attend our training.